Hey guys, AJ with Relentless Racing. Welcome back to the channel. In episode 7, we cycled the right rear suspension to see how our alignment affected the tripod's position within the cup. Also, we showed how to place the tripod further into the cup by changing how we adjust our camber. Episode 8 addresses comments from keyboard warriors, and we do a ride along during Project Silver's personal best time at the Streets of Willow. Enjoy the video.
A couple months ago, I posted this exact same view on the Facebook group called MR2 Spider, and I was showing how I cut this section out right here, and I cut this section out right here. Essentially, this piece used to go from here to here, and this piece went from here to here. The reason why I cut it out was to have more access to this jam nut right here. And everyone freaked out because they said I was gonna die. Well, let me tell you guys, this is really essentially a lug analysis. So the lug is essentially right here. This is a lug right there. And this particular lug, since there's this one and this one back here, this lug is in double shear. And it's always in tension or compression because this has a monoball here. So with a lug, the majority of the force that is handled by the lug is handled at 45 degrees. And that angle, this is 90, this is 45. Anything past 45 degrees does help you, but the amount that it helps you is very minimal. So for weight's sake and for functionality for this jam nut, 45 degrees is going to be fine. And you know what? FEA is only good for plus minus 10%. But the true test is when you test it on the track. So this vehicle has been tested on the track 3 sessions at Sonoma, and it's been at Streets for a whole track day as well. And there's no degradation in this wall right here or in this one back here. So for all the keyboard warriors out there that said it wasn't going to work and that I was going to die, you were wrong.
Welcome to the Streets of Willow. We're going to maintain full throttle all the way up the hill because we're only 1cc. Hug the inside line. Almost touch the dirt with your wheel. Brake in a straight line. Heel and toe down. Squeeze the gas and maintain your car control. Full throttle. Firm brake. Heel and toe to second. Hug the inside. Let the car track out. Maintain your momentum. Do not brake here. Rev match into second. Full throttle all the way to the bowl. Use your eyes right here. Look to the right and the car will follow. Now hug the inside, prepare to brake and go from 4th to 3rd to 2nd, and then hug that inside line. Squeeze the gas here, maintain full throttle, and don't track out too far because we only have 1cc power. Let's prepare for the chicane of death, which is blind. Maintain full throttle through the chicane. Don't drop your wheel on this left. Firm brake, heel and toe into second. Squeeze the gas, get to full throttle through here, and then modulate diagonally into the skid pad. Modulate your throttle through the skid pad and get on that throttle early. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a hot lap at the Streets of Willow clockwise. This is AJ with Relentless Racing. Stay relentless, and I'll see you on the track.